Hidden beneath ancient mountains lies a world humans rarely see. Every drop of water begins a journey into eternal darkness. Far below the surface, another world exists. A place without sunlight, yet full of life. For millions of years, creatures have survived here. Among them is one of Earth's strangest animals. The mysterious cave salamander. A creature that spends its entire life away from sunlight. Millions of years ago, its ancestors entered these caves. Slowly, darkness transformed them. The surface world was left behind. Their bodies became perfectly designed for darkness. Its pale skin tells the story of evolution. Sight became almost unnecessary. Instead, other senses became powerful. It feels the world around it. Its external gills extract oxygen from cold underground rivers. Every movement is slow and efficient. In this endless darkness, size does not determine survival. Slowly, darkness transformed them. Even here, survival requires hunting. The silent hunter waits patiently. Energy is precious underground. Patience is its greatest survival strategy. But this ancient creature hides many more secrets. Secrets written in millions of years of evolution. These caves are older than human history. And the Olm has been here for countless generations. A living reminder of evolution's incredible power. The journey into the world of the cave salamander has only begun. After millions of years underground, the Olm has become a masterpiece of adaptation. Its unusual appearance is the result of surviving in a world without sunlight. Unlike surface animals, the Olm does not need bright colors for survival. In eternal darkness, camouflage means becoming almost invisible. Over generations, its eyes slowly became smaller. A powerful vision system was no longer necessary. Instead, the Olm learned to sense a world it cannot see.
Every current carries information. There is mysterious cinematic documentary music playing in the background. Subtle.
Every vibration can reveal prey. The darkness is not empty. It is full of signals. Its most recognizable feature is its 3 pairs of external gills. These fragile structures allow it to breathe in cold underground water. Every part of its body is designed for efficiency. Its small legs are not built for speed. Conservation of energy is the key to survival below. Hidden pools become safe homes for generations of Olim. The next generation begins in complete darkness. Finding the right place for eggs is essential. Hidden beneath rocks, new life begins. Inside each egg, a tiny survivor slowly forms. Days pass silently beneath the underground river. A new life enters the darkness. From birth, it carries the adaptations of its ancestors. The journey from young larva to adult is incredibly slow. Growth in the underground world follows a different rhythm. The Olim keeps features that most amphibians lose. This rare process is called neoteny. It remains perfectly adapted to its hidden environment. A creature designed not for speed, but for survival. But surviving here requires more than adaptation. It requires patience. In the underground world, survival does not belong to the fastest. Here, patience is one of the greatest survival strategies. Hours can pass with almost no movement. Its body uses energy at an incredibly slow rate. This adaptation allows it to survive where food is extremely limited. The cave provides no forests, no sunlight, and no abundance of food. Every source of energy in this world is precious. The Olim survives by spending as little energy as possible. Ancient caves provide the perfect environment for slow living. Above ground, seasons change. Below ground, time moves differently. But even the slowest creature must eventually hunt. Small creatures become the hidden treasures of the underground world. Without vision, the Olim relies on other senses. Every movement creates a message through the water. It moves carefully, avoiding unnecessary energy loss.
When the moment comes, the strike is precise.
A simple meal can provide enough energy for survival. Then the waiting begins again. The cave is not one place. It is a vast hidden network. Each chamber contains pieces of an invisible ecosystem. Life survives here in forms rarely seen by humans. The olm is both predator and part of this fragile balance. In darkness, survival depends on awareness.
Every tunnel may contain unknown challenges. Deep, mysterious documentary music plays in the background.
These waters have existed for thousands, perhaps millions, of years. The creature and its environment have evolved together. Every detail tells a story of adaptation.
A survivor shaped by silence and time.
But the deepest secrets of the cave are still waiting. Because beneath the earth, an ancient world continues to breathe. Hidden beneath Europe's mountains, an ancient mystery waited for centuries to be discovered.
Keep your torches high. Look at that. It's blind.
When these strange animals appeared after floods, legends began.
People imagined they were young dragons hidden beneath the earth. But reality was even more fascinating than the myths.
Scientists began studying this mysterious animal hidden below the surface. They discovered a creature unlike almost any other amphibian. Every part of its body revealed millions of years of adaptation. A world hidden from sunlight had created a completely different path of evolution. To understand the olm, we must look beneath the world we know.
These caves form a complex network of rivers and chambers.
The purity of this water is essential for life below. For the olm, clean water means survival. Everything that happens on the surface can eventually reach the hidden world below. Human activity has brought new challenges to ancient habitats. Chemicals and pollution can travel deep underground. Even invisible changes can threaten fragile ecosystems.
The creatures living here have nowhere else to go.
I've got the sample.
Excellent. Check the temperature and pH immediately.
Reading it now.
Understanding the cave is the first step toward protecting it. Protecting forests and rivers protects the hidden world beneath them. The future of this ancient survivor depends on keeping its world untouched. A creature that survived millions of years can still be vulnerable today. Each individual represents an ancient evolutionary story. Every new generation carries the legacy of the underground dragon. Thousands of hidden places may still hold unanswered questions. The Olm is a living window into Earth's distant past.
And its story is far from over.
Deep beneath the Earth, the OLM follows a rhythm unlike almost any creature on the planet. Its life moves at a pace almost impossible to imagine.
Unlike animals that race against time, the OLM conserves every moment.
A remarkably slow metabolism allows its body to use energy efficiently. In a place where meals are rare, efficiency becomes survival. The underground world offers very little food. Patience allows the OLM to survive long periods between meals. Scientists continue studying the secrets hidden inside its unusual biology. The OLM may reveal important clues about adaptation and survival. But its greatest achievement is not living long. It is surviving where almost nothing else can. Every cave is a world shaped by darkness and time. Slow processes created this hidden kingdom. And the OLM evolved alongside it. A vast underground network remains unexplored. Every passage may hide another secret. Its body is a record of evolution written in living form. Every creature in this world depends on delicate balance. Even the smallest organisms support the survival of the cave dragon. The hunter of darkness relies on precision, not power. Its senses reveal a world invisible to humans. A successful hunt may sustain it for a long time. Then the ancient cycle begins again. A life almost untouched by the surface world. Yet this hidden creature is connected to everything above. The health of the surface determines the future below. Protecting nature means protecting unseen worlds. The cave salamander remains a symbol of survival. A silent survivor carrying millions of years of history. Only a few minutes remain before we discover the final secret of the underground dragon. After millions of years hidden below the earth, the Olim still keeps many secrets. A creature that appears simple holds an incredibly complex story. Its world has remained almost unchanged for countless generations. These rocks remember a history far older than humanity. And the Olm has become part of that ancient story. Every adaptation allowed it to survive in complete darkness. It does not need sunlight to understand its world. The hidden language of water guides every movement. Every corner of the cave is filled with information. Together, they form one of Earth's most unusual hidden populations. The future of this species begins with every new generation. Life continues quietly where the surface world cannot reach. Each embryo carries millions of years of survival history. A new journey begins in darkness. The cycle of life continues beneath the mountains. Above the caves, another world continues unaware. But the two worlds are connected. Every drop of water helps decide the future of the Olm. The survival of this ancient animal depends on protecting fragile ecosystems. Researchers continue unlocking the mysteries of the underground dragon. Every discovery reveals another chapter of evolution. The Olm teaches us that survival does not always require strength. Sometimes survival comes from patience and adaptation. A perfect design created by time itself. A living treasure hidden beneath our feet. An animal that spent its entire existence away from the sun. Yet it has created its own world of wonder. Earth still hides countless stories waiting to be discovered. And the cave salamander remains one of the greatest. The blind dragon of the underground continues its silent journey.